Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about very interesting methodology and strategy that you can apply to scale your business on Shopify. And obviously with dropshipping right now becoming the major sort of business in the industry, you got to understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. And that is the reason why we have gone and done some extensive research in selecting and finding individuals that started their businesses off on Shopify and how they grew their business and became a multi-million dollar business over a period of time. And the first example that I'm going to share with you today is called goatcase.com. Now, these are phone cases, and what they did is that they actually started on Shopify and then they concentrated on one particular item. And these are anti-gravity phone cases. So if you're a creator, this is definitely someone for you. And they've been trusted by over 300,000 customers right now. And the best thing, which I personally feel the emphasis that they've done, is the fact that they love bright colors, and the colors that they have are absolutely brilliant. They've really brought a sense of unique rarity into this particular phone case industry. So obviously it comes in three eye-catching colors with neo sand inside. Unlike goat cases, it does not stick. And that, my friend, is the beauty of these cases. And obviously you can stand out in the crowd with these amazing cases. So clearly what they did was they fixed and they selected and they researched and they found one particular niche. And after they got their niche, they focused and doubled down on that niche. And how they grew their business overnight is a value that individuals need to understand. So if you're someone that is thinking of getting into the dropshipping business, you need to understand the strategy that they implemented. And that's the reason why we make these videos, to give you guys a complete breakdown of exactly what you need to do and what not to do. So let's go ahead and check the prices off at these amazing phone cases that are available. This is a 4-in-1 charging, which they're selling for $34.99. And obviously they have all the information regarded over here for it. Now you might be thinking that, oh my god, they're making these phone cases themselves and they're doing all of this stuff themselves and this is going to cost a fortune for you to do. This is where you're wrong, guys. These can be made and these can be sold and these can be purchased and these can be manufactured and these can be bought and these can be supplied by simply following the tips and tricks and strategy that we bring to you on this channel. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're making. This phone case right now is for $14.99. We're going to come back to the price right now. I want to show you the simple elements that they've focused on. Phone cases. This phone case is going for $29.99. Imagine how much that's going to cost them and what they're selling it for. Now, all these elements that you can see are only a couple of things, but they're able to actually focus on one product and make it massive. The second example that I'm going to talk about today is very interesting, guys. This is an example that you will definitely relate to. These are the Gymsharks. Now, this is another brand. This is another business. This is another organization that started off from Shopify, and they've literally grown into becoming one of the biggest in the industry right now. And right now they are sourcing and selling their particular product for an astonishing $65, $75, $100. And the reason for this is because they have understood exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it. And they've brought together a strategy, they have implemented a strategy, and they've executed that strategy flawlessly. And you could do it as well. It's very simple and straightforward. How do you do it? All you need to do is head over to shopify.com, and obviously at shopify.com you can bring your dreams to a reality. It is a global commerce platform that can build your business with Shopify, and you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. There are millions of entrepreneurs, guys, that are choosing Shopify to build their business, and millions of merchants that are available. And that literally means that you have an understanding, you have the ability to do research and find out exactly what they did to become so successful and what not to do so you do not fail in your dropshipping business. They have an economic activity of $444 billion. So that is a massive industry, guys, and you can easily get into that industry. And even if you get a piece of that cake, that's going to be worth millions. So you can break away from the 9-to-5 rat race and sit back, relax, and watch your financial freedom become truly a reality. You can bring your vision to life with a drag and drop store creator, and there's no coding expertise required at all. style. You can customize with templates that are created by a community of world-class designers, and you can add more features and functionalities to your store with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And obviously you can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels to get your product in front of your customers. And obviously that is one of the reasons that I personally love Shopify, because they understand the dynamics, they understand the struggle, they understand the tools that are required to get your dropshipping business off the ground. And it has the best converting checkout on the planet, guys, with a flexible point of sales to power your retail store and the first touch to full funneling, meaning you can reach new leads, you can engage with customers, and the data that you can build on is absolutely brilliant. Because at the end of the day, guys, one of the major things that really distinguishes your dropshipping business from all the other ones in the industry is the amount of research that you do in understanding exactly what needs to be done. And obviously with the streamlining your back office, with overseeing your operations, fulfilling every single order, and managing your money where you make it, makes it very simple and straightforward. So the question comes is what you need to do after you have created your Shopify store. Now, if you don't have a store, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. And once you have done it, I need you to head over to aliexpress.com. Now, AliExpress is the actual place where I believe you can find the best bargains. And we have already started off this video. We're talking about two different organizations. One that was focusing on a particular product, which was phone cases. The other one was looking at the gym's apparels that are available. Now, how do they source these products? Now, this is where the main element comes in. And obviously, I want to talk about something which is very important at this moment in time, that both these businesses actually started off from Shopify, a very simple, humble beginning. And over a period of time, they were able to create something that was truly unique and truly massive. So let's check out the price first, how much the price was for these particular cases, $14.99 and $29.99. So let's head over to AliExpress and search for anti-gravity phone cases. Now you can clearly see that these luxurious magnetic anti-gravity phone cases are for $2.59. Let's scroll down and check out different ones over here. This one is for $2.98 and they've been sold 78. This one is for $2.98 as well, and they've sold 574. Now obviously we can see that they're buying these are sourcing these, they're getting these ones for at least around $3, but they're selling it for how much? They're selling it for $14.99. So they're making a healthy $10 profit on this particular product, and so could you guys. All you need to do is get the right product, and once you get the right product, you can start selling that product and start making money off it. Now the second organization that we looked at was the Gymshark. Now obviously with the Gymsharks, you can clearly see $52, $25, $55, $35. Now this is the price that they're selling it for. These ones are going for $45 to $50. Now if you scroll up, this is going for $75, $70. Let's head over to AliExpress and search for gym shirts. Now look at the prices, $10.99, $5.24. So this shirt over here, if I scroll down, I'm going to show you how much this is costing, $25. So how much this actually costs to get on AliExpress? It costs you $5.24. So they're making at least a $20 profit on top of it. It is as simple and straightforward, guys. Make sure that you do your research, that you go in detail, that you find the best bargain price available. Then you get the product, and once you get the product, what you need to do, it's very simple and straightforward. Start your Shopify account and start selling it. There is a market available, guys, but the idea is that you need to know exactly what strategy to implement and how to execute those strategies. So if you don't understand any of that, you can always check out our channel, because we've gone in great detail in providing you the right amount of information and the right strategy that it requires to start a dropshipping business. Now, once you've done all of that, you might be asking, how are we going to bring in the sales? This is where this element comes in, which is a website called fanjoy.co. This is a website where you have creators, individuals, influencers who are on social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, who are making content. But the thing over here with these content creators is that they do not have their own Shopify account. They're not selling merchandise. So all you need to do is get in touch with different creators that are already available available on the social media platforms, and speak to them, drop them an email, message them, and tell them that, listen, let's partner up. You're a content creator and we have merchandise. We're going to hand you over the merchandise and you can wear it, you can talk about it, you can sell it, and obviously we will handle the logistics in the background so you can synergize and bring your powers together and be able to create something that's very unique. You can profit from it. You can give them 50%, you can keep 50%. It really depends on what business proposal you guys agree upon. It is that simple and straightforward, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out the right strategy to implement to start their dropshipping business. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.